want to do this.
Oh, it'll be easy. Just act all slinky and goo-goo-eyed and womany.
Yeah, show me how you're gonna do it.
Dream on.
Just get in, snoop around, and if you see a cat, take a picture.
This is totally...
Too late!
Yes?
My car broke down, and I was just wondering if I could use your phone in there to call my boss back at the modeling agency and bikini car wash.
Who buzzed you in? Because if you weren't buzzed in by a registered tenant, you'll have to leave.
Wow. He is more persnickety than I thought.
Does persnickety mean gay?
Okay. He's a slippery little monkey. It's not going to be easy getting into that apartment. There must be some way to prove he's got a cat in there.
Well, I'm off to the cat store. Specializes in cats and cat-related products. Gotta get some cat food for the old kitty cat.
Did you record that?
On what?
Uh-oh. Get the fire extinguisher. Why do you look so smug?
Oh, I wouldn't say smug. I'm just very pleased with myself.
That's what smug means.
So it does. Well, I'm pleased with myself because I've begun the process of solving your trunk problem.
Uh-oh. What did you do?
I had a little chat with your ex-husband. He said he'd be in touch. It's probably him now.
Haddison House. Speaking. Uh-huh. Well, all right then.
Was that him?
His lawyer. And he's not happy. Did you tell him you were my counsel?
No. Oh, I may have said I was counseling you. That's probably it.
My fellow condo owners, what you're about to see may shock and amaze you, maybe even horrify you.
Is it going to take long?
Behold the face of hypocrisy.
What's going on?
Oh, you tell me, Mr. No Pets Allowed in the building, but look at me with the cat, which is technically an animal.
Aw, it looks sick.
I volunteer with an organization that helps terminally ill pets live their last days with dignity.
Then you admit it!
Well, hey, this isn't necessarily bad. I mean, he wants to talk. Talk is good.
Thanks to your little talk, my ex-husband thinks I'm being petty. Now he wants a painting that I got in the settlement.
Well, this is great. He gets the painting, you get the trunk. Flipsy flopsy, everybody wins.
That painting is worth $25,000.
I see. And the trunk is worth, I'm guessing, less?
About $24,990 less.
Ouch. It's only worth $100?
10, Stan. That's $10.
Ouch.
I'm just doing what I can to ease the suffering of one of God's creatures.
You are the nicest man in the world.
Like some kind of angel.
Angel Mike can, but what about his flagrant finger to the rules?
It's all by the book. I filled out all the necessary paperwork.
It's a lot of paperwork.
I even had the council invoke a compassion clause. Wasn't easy.
You did all that so little kitty could have a few more days without pain?
One look at Mr. Meowgie here and I'd say it was worth it.
Okay, people, get off his back. He's a saint. You vultures. I'm sorry. I had you all wrong. You're not a persnickety prune-faced jerk. You're the kindest, most selfless man I have ever known.
Thank you. But for future reference, you can't hold gatherings of more than 6 people in the hallway. It's a fire hazard.
I will tear your world apart!
I'm sure if I just had another chat with your ex.
No, my lawyers are handling it. But I am afraid, under the circumstances, that I'm gonna have to recommend to Millie that she stop
Boy, that
seeing...
guy really grills my fish. I mean, it's days like this that I wish I was 100 feet tall and had bazoombas for eyes.
Bazumbas?
I meant to say bazookas. Although...
Well, what's the problem, Millie?
No, you don't.
Oh, Doc, I'm glad you're here. I need you to talk me down or my head's gonna blow up. Like in that movie where people's heads blow up? You know the one.
Millie, you're not making...
Scanners.
Scanners, thank you. Before I go, scanners all over this place.
She needs rechanneling.
It's not even a word.
She's channeling all her anger into one. She needs to divert some of it into a. Rechanneling is a word.
I'm gonna shave his head with the thick end of a dull rock. Let's see how he likes that.
Here, break this. Break this.
Is that your answer, breaking stuff?
Rechanneling and redirectioning. Hey, Millie, is Scanners available on DVD?
How should I know? Probably.
Blu-ray?
I doubt it.
Is there a video store around here?
Yeah. I have a membership to it. Let's go.
I'm sorry about your ex and the painting.
It's okay. You just keep helping Millie.
I'll do my best. And hey, if you ever need
Just
it...
Millie, not me, not anyone else. Just Millie.
Ta-da! I said, ta-da! What do you think?
Where are we? A museum?
Your condo?
Yikes. Feels a little stuffy, little hoity-toity. But, it's nice. It's really nice. But, yuck.
It's classy.
No, I'm sorry. I have particular tastes.
No problem. Just wish you would have told me that instead of saying, do whatever you want, I don't care, I'm not fussy.
Okay, game on. Let's, Hey, we can't play hockey here. It's all classy.
Told ya.
Don't beat yourself up. You did your best. Just a sec. Break this. It'll make you feel better. One beautiful sunny day, little Missy Grumpaloo was playing in the park. But then a nasty little bug started buzzing around her head. It was called a you can't bug because it always said, you can't do this and you can't do that. So Missy decided to go to the library and read some books instead. But the you can't bug followed her in through a window and kept pestering Missy. Thankfully, the librarian came around and squashed it with a big heavy book.